Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Guys, in this video, I'm going to cover the help command, which is regarding the automatic rollback of your CI/CD pipeline in case of any issues. You can easily roll back. So the command is actually Helm Atomic. So as you guys know that I've already covered a lot of videos regarding the CI/CD of Kubernetes and I set up in my past video the GitLab runner as well. And I also covered the video regarding the Dart tree. So how you can, check your manifest, Kubernetes manifest. So you can watch these videos regarding that. So I'm not going to cover all the stuff in this video. So how to set up GitLab runner locally or anywhere else with Docker. I've covered that. So I'm going to use the same repository, right? So simply type on Google, navigate to Cloud Geeks. In the video section, you will get all the videos, right? So simply navigate to this and you will see all the videos regarding that. So in this video, I'm going to show you um, how we can use that. So this is the testing I've done. This is the Helm atomic fixed, which is this pipeline. It is absolutely okay and perfect. So what I've done, I've spin up local cluster with kind. I've also created a video with regard to the kind cluster. You can watch that. So currently, this is my local cluster. This one, this GitLab runner, I've set up in uh, past video I've shown you guys, and this is my Kubernetes, just a container through which I'm going to connect with that. So GitLab runner is for the CI/CD pipelines, which I'm going to do locally. Please watch the video if you haven't watched the video. This is the local cluster which I'm going to use. This is the kind cluster. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply navigate into this Kubernetes container, and I have just use this command to see the connectivity. Please watch my previous video to see all the settings. So kubectl get nodes, you see one node is up and running. So I want to show you also the lens. So I also covered the videos regarding the lens. So simply what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a little different way to manage your Kubernetes cluster. So this is my cluster kind cloudgeeks.ca. This is my local cluster. I'm going to connect with this guy. So see, I'm connected, and currently we have one node in this, and I'm going to cover this directory namespace, and currently we have one pod up and running. So what I'm going to do, so I have this repository cloned. I'm going to fail this repository. Why I'm going to fail this repository? Let me show you that. Because we are going to test the Helm atomic command. So this is the command which I'm going to cover. So you should use in this in your CI/CD. So you will see that it is going to automatic roll back in case of any failures. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to failed my deployment, and let's see what happens. So this is the atomic command timeout. I just set up 1 minute and 25 seconds. You can set up your own timeout, which means that it will see if the container is up and running, or I should say the pod is up and running. If it is not up and running, it is going to roll back to the previous successful deployment, and it is going to also clean up all the failed stuff which we are going which has been deployed through this new Helm deployment, right? So what I'm going to do, simply I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to say false tag, right? And I'm going to save this guy, and I'm going to say Helm atomic test. So I'm going to commit this guy, right? And I'm going to simply sync all the changes. So once the changes are synced, you will see the pipelines are going to be automatically spin up for us as the GitLab runner is locally. So Again, I'm not going to cover this. You see, this pipeline is in progress, and this is my ultimate Helm atomic test. So, what it does, all the step I have also covered in the previous video. So, it will fail in the fourth stage. So, let me show you that part as well. So, this is currently building the Docker image for us. Then it is going to push this image to our Docker public registry. The build is successful. Then it is going to push to the Docker registry. Then we are going to do the testing through our that tree, which I have covered in the previous videos. You can watch those. So to make this video short, I'm not going to cover all these stages. Detailed videos are already there, so I've shown you that. So in the deploy stage, it should be failed. So shortly you will see that one pod is going to be available in this namespace, and I'm going to show you how much. I mean, also I'm going to show you the CLI part as well. So let me show you this way as well. So let me expand the size. So I'm going to type this command kubectl get pods in namespace that tree. So you see currently we have pod is available up and running. So as we are using the atomic with cleanup, so it will not we are going to automatic rollback uh, to our successful deployment. In fact, this deployment is not going to be deployed. So our deployment, successful deployment, which is already running, is going to be still in running state. You see, this is the new deployment. If I do uh, kubectl get pods in namespace directory, so you see image pull error because with this name we don't have any image false in our registry. So why it is that is why it is saying image pull error. So it will continue to stay in this state, and you see as the time we set is 1 minute and 25 seconds. You see, so our deployment regarding the previous deployment is going to be up and running, and this deployment is going to be automatically rolled back. So if I do Helm ls-a, okay, I want to show you all the deployments. So you see, currently it is not showing us this deployment. So let me navigate to the Helm, and if I navigate to, sorry, navigate to the releases section. So you see, this is the eighth revision, still in pending status, and also want to show you the pods in namespace. You see, it is not deployed, and let me show you that part. You see, it is terminated, and the previous successful deployment, which has been running for 20 minutes, it is going to be stay there. So it's now 25 minutes. You see, it has successfully rolled back. And if I do Helm ls-a to see all the namespaces, you see the ninth revision is now matches with this guy. So the previous successful deployment with the tag, this was the tag. Let me show you that tag as well with the tag 80. It is now available on my Docker Hub. So it is running without zero downtime. So guys, this is the video I'm going to show you guys how you should use Helm Atomic in your CI/CD pipelines. This is the right way. And if you navigate to the pipelines section, let me simply refresh it. You will see this pipeline is going to be failing in the fourth stage. You see, this pipeline even failed, but we don't have to manually roll back because we have set up this command, automated rollback and clean up all the stuff which is incorrect. So I'm going to simply now do Control Z, and I'm going to simply make changes with Helm atomic text. So it is then create a new pipeline, and it is gonna simply let me sync the changes, and it is going to be successful because the tag here we are going to use is going to be available in our uh, registry. In fact, the right tag is going to be pulled, which is going to be the one which has been deployed and pushed to our registry. So if you navigate back to the pipelines, pipeline is again up and running, and you see the same stuff which I've covered in the previous video is going to be done. So the whole point of sharing this video that we must be using the if you are using Helm in your CI/CD pipelines, you should use this flag, as I found this really effective, and we don't have any downtime in our application. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.